Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 15, 2023 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong December 15, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Friday, December 15, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 15, 2023, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 36.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 235 million pesos for Friday, December 15, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of December 15, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.